Hello traders, today is February 24th. I'm going to make a recap for today. I didn't have any home runners today, but I have a bunch of small wins with a total of 3,300 profit on the day. So I'll go over one by one my thought process. So let's start. So the first trade on the list here is NVNI. The NVNI, it was a quick little scalp. What I saw was a cup and handle forming here. Took the break of the cup and handle there, and then just took the profits on the highs here. And I saw a bunch of weakness with a doji candle there, and then took it off. Big $700 win. Next trade is WNW. The WNW, I did both short and long here. So first trade was kind of a small win on this little wide form cup and handle here. So took the break there. It didn't move too strong initially, and then retook the next break. I had a small win, like a $200 win or so, and then it took it off. And then I took a loss here somewhere. I did a short, and then I covered, and then I re-shorted here on the top. You can see there's an inverted cup and handle, and that's where I took a short and added to my position. And then I covered along the way there for a $600 win total. Next trade is CNEY. CNEY. So CNEY. I think I did two trades here. So you can see I drew I think it had a green opening, did a wash, and then did a reclaim. So I like that little reclaim move. You can see a little cup and handle. I bought that break and took some profits there. And then I think that was like a $700 win or so. And then I try to do a dip buy here with a little move, see if it come back, maybe go towards VWAP or so. But it ended up failing, so I took a $100 loss there. But ended up 577 on that trade. Next trade is NKE, Nike. So Nike, I saw it was extended in the percent gainers. So what I saw here, I think I also took two trades here, and it was both on the short position. And what I saw here was a fail high of day, and then you can see you can get lower highs and then lower high form here. So I side position here, re-added, and then covered right near VWAP area. You can see it bounce off VWAP and the 5-minute 9 EMA, and then rebounded. I tried to do the same play. You can see fail high of day, little small cup and handle, lower highs, took the short there, and then just little quick scalp. I saw it kind of not following through as much. I was expecting a bigger move and then maybe going down, but it ended up like popping back up shortly after, and I just took it off. So $529 win on Nike. Next trade is RTC. I had so it had a nice little move here, little higher lows, and then a breakout here. So I bought here in anticipation of this breakout. I took most of my profits here, and then I saw a bunch of red candles, sense weakness, and volume wasn't coming in after that initial move, so took it off. But 194 right there. Next trade at GSIW. The GSIW, I think it was also a quick little scalp. I think initially I had I shorted here, covered, and then I saw it kind of going back up to the 69 area, and it failed. So I went in. You can see same pattern, inverted cup and handle, lower highs, and I shorted that position. I end up covering maybe around the 62 area. It actually like wiped all the way down to 56, which was really surprising. But I took all my position off around the 62 area, but very big candle there. For a $464 win there. Next trade is ORSI. This is a quick little scalp. Hoping to get 2 VWAP. You can see a little red candle and the reclaim of the green candle. It's kind of like an engulfing candle there. I took the highs of that candle and then just took it off towards VWAP. I ended up making a move higher, but quick $150 wins there. And then my last trade, FOXO, which was, I was actually green on this, and I actually gave it away. But this was a trade off the opening bell, and what happened here was, let me erase this. So what happened here was a nice little red candle reclaim. So I took that break, took the profits here, and that was like my first trade. Took the rest of my smaller loss there, but I think I was up 600 there. And then I tried to take you can see like a little flag here, and it failed. So I took it around here, and then I took it, stopped out, and then stopped out. So I took a few losses there. Yeah, and then I ended up, I think I ended up like a negative 500 around this area, and then I shorted this position here, and then I recovered, and I recouped maybe $300 loss there. So I ended up negative 215 on FOXO. So that was all my trades for today. Up a total of 3,300, and I think it was a good day. There's no home runners, but I think small profits do add up. Thank you for watching. If you enjoy it, please like and subscribe.